Welcome to our beginner's guide to common fruits and vegetables. In this video, we'll explore 30 words that will help improve your English vocabulary. Let's begin! Apple. A sweet and crunchy fruit that comes in many colors such as red, green, or yellow. Often eaten raw or used in desserts. Banana. A long yellow fruit that is easy to peel and eat, known for its soft, sweet taste. Orange. A juicy citrus fruit with a thick peel and a rich source of vitamin C, often turned into juice. Strawberry. A small red fruit with tiny seeds on its surface. It's sweet and often eaten fresh, in jams or desserts. Grape. Small round fruits that come in bunches, usually green, red, or purple. Often eaten fresh or used to make wine. Watermelon. A large green fruit with a watery and sweet red or pink inside. Perfect for summer! Pineapple. A tropical fruit with a spiky exterior and sweet, juicy interior, known for its unique flavor. Mango. A juicy fruit with a distinctive flavor, ranges from sweet to sour. It has a stone inside and orange-yellow flesh. Blueberry. A small, round, and blue fruit packed with nutrients. They are sweet and often used in baking. Cherry. A small, round fruit that can be sweet or sour. Frequently used in desserts and as a topping. Kiwi. A small brown fruit with a fuzzy skin and bright green or gold flesh, known for its tangy and sweet taste. Lemon. A bright yellow fruit, known for its tart flavor, often used in drinks and as a seasoning. Peach. A soft fruit with fuzzy skin and sweet, juicy flesh, often eaten fresh or used in pies. Pear. A bell-shaped fruit that is usually green or yellow with a sweet, soft texture. Raspberry. A red, juicy fruit made up of tiny droplets. They're sweet and often used in desserts. Plum. A small, round fruit that can be red, purple, or even yellow, commonly sweet or tart. Apricot. A small orange fruit with velvety skin and a soft, sweet interior. Melon. A type of fruit with a thick rind and sweet, juicy flesh, often eaten in summer. Avocado. A creamy green fruit that's a staple in many dishes like guacamole due to its smooth texture. Blackberry. A dark purple berry known for its sweet yet slightly tart flavor. Tomato. A red, juicy fruit that is commonly used in salads, sauces, and as a sandwich topping. Carrot. An orange root vegetable, crunchy when raw, but soft when cooked, popular in soups and salads. Broccoli. A green vegetable with a tree-like appearance, rich in nutrients, and often steamed or roasted. Cucumber. A green vegetable with a crisp texture, often eaten raw in salads or as pickles. Potato. A starchy vegetable that is versatile in cooking, used for making fries, mashed potatoes, and more. Onion. A bulb vegetable with a pungent taste, frequently used as a base in many recipes. Spinach. A leafy green vegetable known for its health benefits, often eaten cooked or raw in salads. Bell pepper. A colorful vegetable that can be green, red, yellow, or orange, commonly used in salads, stir-fries. Lettuce. A leafy vegetable often used in salads and sandwiches for its fresh, crisp taste. Garlic. A pungent bulb used for flavoring and cooking, known for its strong aroma and taste. That concludes our list of 30 common fruits and vegetables. We hope this has been a helpful and fun way to boost your English vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!